Before starting your job, be sure you are wearing proper personal protection equipment and are following all company and site rules and regulations. For a complete and detailed description of job site setup and proper PPE, please reference the AEM Safety Manual, which can be found in the black manual case in the cab. In order to most effectively use your crane, you need to accurately estimate the weight of the load you need to move. This can be done through consulting service manuals for the equipment you are working on. Once you know what your load may weigh, you need to position your truck in the best possible location to effect the lift. Ideally, you will position the crane about 6 to 12 feet from the equipment you will be working on. When arriving at your site, it is best to locate the mechanic truck on as stable and level of surface as possible. Parking the truck on an incline is not recommended and can put the equipment and the operator in unsafe working situations. Also, be sure the vehicle is positioned in an area free from bystanders and overhead obstructions. Use a signal person if necessary. While positioning the truck, be aware that the most stable position is traditionally over the rear quadrant of the truck. If you were to reference a clock, 12 o'clock would be the cab. Your most stable lifting area would then fall in the 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock position. Once your vehicle is positioned, make certain that your transmission is in neutral or park. Engage your parking brake per your chassis manufacturer's instruction. Exit the cab and place the wheel chocks on the tires and cones around the work area. With the truck parked as previously described and the engine running, depress the clutch on a manual transmission vehicle or the brake pedal on an automatic. Engage the PTO lever or switch. Consult the PTO manual for specific instructions if needed. Slowly release the clutch or brake pedal. When the PTO is engaged, the red PTO indicator will illuminate. At this point, do not attempt to move the truck until the PTO has been disengaged. Please note, your stellar crane and compressor will only operate when the parking brake is activated. Allow the hydraulic system oil to warm before operating any of the hydraulic equipment, especially during cold weather.